Data is the engine of modern business. Whether you're using data for analytics or AI engines, every business is buying data, and it's probably more than you think. Buying and selling it shouldn't be a struggle. And when you find a data set or provider, can you trust it? For too long, the data market has been defined by friction, including high costs, inefficient discovery, and little transparency around quality and provenance.
Andy, what do you mean by data provenance?
Well, Wyatt, data provenance is a record of a dataset's history that details the dataset's origin and the transformation it has undergone.
Data provenance is critical, but it's rarely that transparent. If you're a data buyer, you know the pain. Procurement is slow, everyone has a different definition of quality, and it's hard to compare options. You spend months on research, often leading to overspending on subpar data.
And for data providers, it's a constant struggle to cut through the noise and find qualified, ready-to-buy customers. You lack a mechanism to prove your value and grow your market share.
What if there was a platform where data buyers and sellers could easily find each other with clarity, speed, and confidence? Well, we built the solution to these problems. Welcome to Blue Street Data.
For buyers, we eliminate procurement friction. You can explore a vast curated market and get instant quality and provenance validation through our Blue Street Quality Index. This provides a clear, side-by-side comparison, allowing you to buy the right data with confidence.
And for providers, we give you exclusive market intelligence and access to vetted, active buyers. Showcase your unique data, understand buyer demand, and strategically increase your revenue.
Whether you're a buyer or a seller, you can follow the entire data buying process A to Z, all on one platform. And our Data Buyer's Guide will be there to guide you along the way. With the right tools, buying or selling data can be easier. Set up a demo with our team today to see how we can help.